Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to upgrade or build your fortifications in Guns Up on Android. So in order to do that, because as you can see you can't customize it right here, you will need to move to the right so you can see your fortifications and then press on this saw and the hammer right here. And from these options you'll be able to build the walls or bunkers or sandbags and place them anywhere, then change its rotation, press confirm to place it, and you can do it multiple times like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.